Hey guys, if you're looking for a great cart for your house, whether you're going to be carrying groceries, whether you're going to be carrying your stuff around your yard, the ballpark, or even at the beach, this is one I highly recommend you check out. This was sent to me to review, but I do want to show you guys all the cool features of this and all the different stuff right here. As you can see, I like that it does cover the little plastic or the little metal pieces, so that way you're not going to get fingers caught in any or anything like that. I really like this because whenever we go to the beach, I'm usually the cabana boy, and so I carry everything to the beach. And so this is going to be able to carry a ton of stuff. As you can see, we have in here, we have some chairs, even some beach toys right there. The one thing I do probably like about the thing the most is these tires. These are like pneumatic tires, so you do pump these up. It does come with a little pump as well, so you can use this if you want to, or if you want to use your own pump, you can do that as well. But cool little option with that. But you can just make sure these tires are a little pumped up, and then these things can go all over the place. So we're going to try them here in just a moment in a few different places. But I do want to show you a couple features of this. Number one, you can see right here, I like these wheels. They're able to turn around and turn and pivot and swivel around. The back ones aren't. They are more stationary, as you can see right there. So that's really nice as well. So you can move this around, manipulate that around, which is really cool. You have some places right here on the front. You can put your drinks. Put your drinks right there if you want to, or keys or any other kind of things like that. You also have the handle up front. It does have like a little spring that it kicks back. You can adjust this for whatever size you want. So if you're carrying it, you probably want it the height, but if your kid's carrying it, you want it to go down low. So you got that. Really cool. So another feature I really like about this is you have this little back place right here. This is actually another way to push the cart. But for us, we can stack chairs on here. So when you're going to the beach, you can stack chairs. Sometimes we have like 3 and 4 chairs on here because I carry one for me and my wife, and sometimes my mom and my friend. And so you're able to carry all kind of stuff on this. You can stack multiple chairs on this, which is really cool. So you can push it. Like I was saying, it's easy to push right here. So if you want to push it on that, you can do that, or you can stack stuff on it. Once you take them off, I do want to show you guys this. You can manipulate this in different levels. If you want it to go down, you can do that. So if you again want a kid to push, they can push. Or if you want it to go all the way up, so then it's kind of a protector piece, you can do that as well. You can hang stuff on here. If you want to hang towels, all kind of stuff like that. But then you can go down. You got to press both of these buttons right here, and you're able to get all the way down as well. So really cool option. You can go any way you want to right there. You kind of manipulate that as well. I do want to show you this back cool feature right here. So another part I really like about this is you can move these out. You can just pull these 2 little latches right here. Once you pull those latches out, this thing will open up. As you can see right there now, it has plenty of room. You could put your boards if you want to put boards on here, put long chairs if you want to put chairs on here, or if you want to take this to the ballpark, you can put your bags and other kind of fun stuff like that. So it really makes this so versatile. You can add so many different things to this, which is really cool. Another cool thing is you can actually open this all the way up. You could do it like this if you wanted, and hold it up like that. But you can even open this all the way up, and it gives it even more strength and stability as well. So that way you have a really long place right here to put stuff. You have extra kind of strength in this right here, this little hinge. So it's going to hold it in there, which is nice. And then you have plenty of space in there. I do like the little bag, or the protector it has right here. So it's nice as well. But then again, so many cool features on that. So what I want to do is try this on a couple different places. We got the concrete right here, got some rocks, got some dirt and other kind of stuff like that. We're going to try this on and see how well it does. So I wanted to try it a few places right here on the concrete first, just to see how well it does. And this does incredibly well. As you can see, most carts would do well on this, but I do even think the pneumatic tires make it a little bit easier on this as well. And then the next test I want to give are just this little rock garden we have right here. And this actually did really well as well. These kind of rolled right through there. I think if it had the other rubber tires, I don't think it would have done as well. So I will give it the nod. Again, just walking through this. So whether you're going to be using this at a ballpark or at the beach or any kind of thing like that, if you have to cross some rocks, just know that it does a pretty good job. On the hard ground and the grass, this does, again, good job. So if you're going to be using this at the park, maybe you're going to be pulling, some stuff for your kiddos or whatever it might be, this definitely does a good job there. We usually take containers like this to the baseball park, you know, getting stuff ready for games and stuff. So definitely going to use it there. Even wanted to try it in the woods right here, just kind of off the side of my yard where it's super unlevel. And it did a pretty good job. Honestly, I think it did really well right there. And then I wanted to take it through a little bit of sand and dirt right here just on the side. And again, walk right through that as well. So I really think that does a great job through all of these options. And I did want to let you guys know that it does close up like this. So when you're going to be traveling or carrying it anywhere or just put it in your vehicle, you can close it up like this, which is really nice. So guys, we did take this to the beach. We wanted to try it out as our new beach cart. I tried it out with just a few things the first day, just kind of checking this out, seeing how well it did. Just wanted to see everything it does here. And as you can see, it kind of floats over the sand, especially on this harder sand. It does a good job. But then we wanted to load it up and try all our stuff on here as well. And honestly, it did a pretty good job. One of the things you need to make sure you do is that the tires are inflated, and because that's going to help a ton. And it's just difficult over this type of terrain right here. So whatever you have is going to be heavy and going to be tough. And again, especially if you load it down like we do. But this actually did a really good job. This is probably going to be my new beach cart. And if you guys know my channel, I really like checking out some of these carts. So I definitely think this is going to be one we're going to use moving forward. So guys, to be honest, I actually was really impressed with this. I thought it was going to do a pretty good job. But to be honest, I really think those tires are game changers. I've had a couple like this that I use semi-often that actually just have the rubber tires and they don't do quite as well. But these right here with these pneumatic tires are doing really well, whether it's being on the rocks, the concrete, the sand, the dirt, or even in the woods right there, even just in the yard. I think this is going to be a game changer for us. I like the space. I like that it lays down. I like that it has all those cool options right there. It has plenty of room for stuff, and again, a lot of space for, you know, different stuff in there. So I think it's really cool. It might be a contender now for our beach cart right there. So we're going to try this out this year and see how that goes. And so super excited about it. Definitely think it's going to be something we're going to add in, and it's going to do a really good job. If you're interested, we'll have a link down below. You can check it out down there. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.